Thank you very much. We've got the coach of Durbanville here. Very good game. And what did you think of today's game?
Yes, Louis, it was a very good game. We started the game with a huge bang.
Yes.
When we started, our defense was totally in place.
Yes.
And the other thing that we did is we just lack a little bit on our defense attacking line
Right.
that we had.
Right.
So by doing that, we could have done much better than we
Right.
did at this stage. But I think overall, for the first game that we played, I'm really satisfied.
Yes, and I know it's still early in the season. Still silly mistakes, probably not as well oiled as you would have been or you would have liked. But the season is still young. And what is up for you for the rest of the season?
Yes, one of the most important things that we're going to play on Tuesday evening is against Office, the home school.
Oh,
So this is the one that we're looking forward to play.
yes,
And after the matches that we played, we go back home. We
Yes.
played Sachs, we played Oakdale,
right.
go to Villa Clava. From there on, we're going to play Paul Ruiz.
Oh,
Yes, and
very
we
good.
finish with our neighbours, all those guys.
Yes.
And we play Boys Eye.
Oh,
And
nice.
the last one will be Interschools against Stellenberg. That's the big one that
Oh,
we're
that's
looking
the big
forward.
one.
Yes.
And from our side, what we saw last year, Oakdale, we've labelled them the giant slayers because they've had one over on the Pulse teams and so on. And what do you think of that game coming up?
Yes, it will be an interesting one because
One.
their big blokes up forwards is not there anymore. The matrix is out.
Okay.
But really, there are some of the players that's still inside that grade 11
Right.
last year, and they're
Right.
back now. Cravenwick guys. We've got the back line to
Aha.
play them.
Right.
So, but lineouts, we will definitely in the mix.
Right.
And then we just have to pitch up on that day.
Yes.
That's very important.
True.
Luckily, they play at home, at our pitch.
Right.
We don't lose at our pitch, if I can tell it
Right.
like that for you.
That's a good thing.
But
Right,
yes,
let's-
now we're
let's
looking
hope
forward
you
to that.
keep your fortress intact.
I will
I
be.
think that's something important. I think
Yes.
that's something to play for.
Yes, definitely.
And I think that's something that goes to the boys and to know that their fortress is protected.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
definitely.
Thank you very much.
That's a pleasure, Louis.
Right.
Thanks a lot.
And who do we have here?
My name is Lawrence Rademeyer.
Right. And what position do you play?
I play outside centre, number 13.
Number 13. All right. And is this your first year in the first team?
No, I played first team last year as well as a junior.
Oh, okay. All right. And what do you think of the tournament so far?
I think this is good exposure, especially for the young talent out here.
Right.
There's a few big games coming up, especially with us, Office, tonight, Office and Oakdale.
Right.
I think it's just massive exposure for the young boys
Yes.
to show their talents and to show the whole world out there what they got.
Yes, and how do you feel playing at altitude and not playing down there?
Yeah, yesterday we had our first practice, and I'm gonna say we could feel it. The first 10 minutes of practice,
Yeah.
we were gassed, but I think today went well. The first half we showed up, and
Yes,
obviously it played a massive role, but I think we adapted very quickly.
yes, definitely. Thank you. And what is your name?
I'm Miller Janssen van Vuren,
Right, and what position do you play?
eighth man.
Eighth man. All
Yes,
right.
yes.
Okay, and first year in the first team?
Last year we played also a little bit, so
Okay.
got an injury in one of the
Oh,
games.
sorry
so,
to
yeah.
hear that. And what do you think of the tournament so far?
Yeah, it's great. Like the exposure, everything, the people, the fans,
Right.
like the people here a lot. It's
That's
crazy.
interesting because we, coming from Joburg or Gauteng, we love the Cape Town people as they are always very friendly. How do you find the people here?
Definitely. Like they're all so nice. Everyone greets each other,
All right.
and
That's good.
it's like
Oh,
a
that's nice.
new level of exposure and stuff.
Right.
So it's really nice.
And what are you looking forward to in the season?
I think this game that's coming up, Office, and definitely Oakdale.
Right.
So
okay.
it's going to be.
Oh, okay.
We,
All right.
we are training like really hard for that. and,
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And you, what's your name
Callum Kukamur.
and position?
I play inside centre.
Oh, okay. All
Yeah.
right. And what do you think of the tournament so far?
I think it's a nice platform to show the talent.
Right.
We have some good games coming up, so
Right.
the boys can show what they have.
Right.
And it's looking
Okay.
out.
And what do you think will happen with your games with Office?
I think first off we're going to bite a bullet, and
Right.
we just have to stick to our game plan.
Right.
And the second half we're going to really dig deep with the altitude. It's going to
Yes.
bite us, but
Right.
I think that we have the team to beat them.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
All right. And what are you looking forward to for the rest of the season?
I think I just want to get on the same level where I was last year. Suffered
Right.
an injury and just want to bounce back.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
And do any of you guys hope to play for the Craven Week?
Yes, definitely.
I think it's
Okay.
a dream of all of us. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
yeah.
right. Good. Nice. We'll keep an eye out for you guys. And thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks.